Now, welcome to Pro 777 Radio. This is a bumper for episode 373.5. This is a 1 hour only episode for members. We interview two more so-called agents, Agent Y and Agent Z, and they tell us all how they pulled off declination successfully. There's more information and a few different ways that we haven't covered before. Jason, do you remember anything about this that I'm forgetting to mention?
So they both work for major corporations, and they proved that indeed this can be done even with major corporations.
Yeah. And if you take the time to get over there and listen to the 1 hour episode, you'll see that it was a Herculean size place that they successfully submitted and stood behind a declination. I don't think we need to say anything more. Anyhow, again, it is a 0.5, only 1 hour episodes, and therefore only available to membership. It's at crow777radio.com, CRROW777radio.com. And I'd like to wish everybody out there a happy, healthy, and higher-minded new era. Cheers.